Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to verify your identity on Klarna. First, when you sign in or make a purchase, Klarna may ask you to verify your identity for security reasons. Usually, this involves a two-factor authentication. You'll get a verification code sent to your email or phone via SMS. Just enter that code to confirm it's you. In some cases, Klarna may also ask you to log in to your bank account to link it for verification, or upload a photo ID and a selfie for extra security. Once completed, your identity will be verified and you'll be able to continue using Klarna without issues. And that's it. That's how to verify your identity on Klarna. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.